What's going on YouTube and Marvelous community? This is your boy Jay from Marvelous Collectible. As promised, here we are back again. About to build this bad boy up. As you guys see in my live stream, the box was huge. Was not expecting that. Already got a spot set up for it. We're about to build the ring for the Mattel's creation. Oh my god. New generation arena. So fire. Here we go. Box is open, as you guys can see. I got the Diesel and the Doink Ultimate Edition figures right there. Took them out the box on my live stream. Here we have some instructions, accessories, the stage, pretty dope. First this side for now right here, so we can get started on this ring. We need this. Take this to the side. We need this. We need this. We definitely need this. One, two, three. More accessories. And let the fun begin. Here we go. Just wanted to show you guys why I had my back turned to the camera while I was setting up the ring mat. It's crazy. You gotta basically take the ring mat and hook it under these hooks under the ring. Let me show you guys what I mean. It's crazy. As you can see, I literally gotta pull on the, you know, ring mat skirt, whatever you want to call it, because this apron thing here, as you can see, sorry, you can see that you gotta hook them in here, make sure they're in the slots, everything. The next thing is these things here. We're gonna put these things in here to keep everything stabilized. As you can see, it's crazy, pretty dope though. Yep, so far so good. We'll continue. You guys can see we put the bottom of the ring bases here, so the ring could be all good when it's actually on a flat surface. Pretty dope. Can't wait to see how this bad boy comes out when it's finally done. We continue, baby. Now we gotta put the ring over. It's crazy. Take this box out of here. Don't want to damage the box either. Yeah, this is a big boy. This is a very big boy. Oh yeah, it's a big boy. Sheesh. This kind of reminds me of the rings back in the day when we were kids. How they would make you put in that work. If you want to play with your wrestling toys, I remember when I was a kid, every time I got a new ring, it was crazy. And this really reminds me of the old school way when we got our wrestling rings. And made them put it together. Like, okay, you want this? I got put it together. Honestly speaking, I don't mind. It's been a while since I put a wrestling ring together. I got the AEW and NXT one. Well, I get the NXT one to my nephew, Jacob. Because my nephew, he loves wrestling. I've been always want to take him to a wrestling event, but he's suffering from epilepsy, so it kind of sucks. But I really would like to take him to a wrestling event because I know he would love it. But I would have to get like noise canceling headphones. But I'm also worried about the bright lights and fireworks and all that stuff, because anything that makes his mind like catch attention or trip out, you know, having an epilepsy attack, and this is something that I'm scared of him having an attack when he's with me. But yeah, man, this ring is pretty dope. Okay, so let's go. What ring skirt should I put? I think I'm gonna put in your house. I'm gonna go with the old school. I'm gonna go with the old school. Okay, so got you. was worried about breaking the elastic. Yeah, that's one right skirt. On to the next. Two down. Two more to go. Sorry guys, I cut my face off. You guys probably don't want to see this. Oof. Ooh, sorry about the turbulence. It's a bad boy. Sick ass features and accessories from the ring. It's like a dream come true for every wrestling collection. Every wrestling collection, let's say. I think the setup that I got ready for this is not gonna work. The more I look at the ring, the more I feel like it's not gonna work. But let's see, it's a pretty decent setup. Well, it's a pretty decent space, I'm just saying, not setup. The setup will come after everything's completed. Now, for the turnbuckles, this is gonna be fun. I think I kind of figure how this is. Like I said, it's like building an old school ring. Okay, that's pretty dope. Wasn't expecting that, but as you guys can see, by the way, we're putting this bad boy together. Here we go. Reattach the turnbuckle to the ropes. Let your own. Here they become loose. Pretty dope. I like that. I like that. As you can see here. Use the body ropes of that one. Here we go. One there. Now to the weight. Oh yeah, so far it's looking good. I don't know if you guys can see it. 405 looking good. It's a big boy, for real. Like, when I got this box this week, you know what I mean? I was like, bro, what is this week? I think it was last week. I was just like, oh my god, what is this? That's exactly what my thought was. What is this? There we go. And here we have it, guys. It's on the flash for this. I have to. Look at this bad boy. This is so dope. I love the way the turnbuckle look. So authentic. So, I don't know, man. And you can actually adjust them up. That's pretty dope. Oh yeah, I love the way they look. I was gonna take this little tag off. Sorry about that. I was gonna take this tag off, but I was like, you know what? Nope. That shows it is official. Under the ring. It's pretty dope. Oh man, I will have to give this a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna show you guys how big the ring is. When you know, like the stage is big, but when you put the ring inside of it, it shows you how big it really is. Definitely dope. Definitely worth every penny. Oh, the collection. Love it. Rip him! Oh yeah! I can't do Macho Man impersonation, sorry. As much as I would love to, I cannot do it. But you know who could really do a good Macho Man impersonation? Sleeping Collectibles. On point. Oh man. This ring is so dope. How you gonna sleep in it? So sick. The Ultimate Collection is looking sweet. And it will continue. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's continue with the subscribers. We're on our way to 600 subscribers now. I appreciate all the support and love. You guys make it possible. I had to do this real quick. Dun, 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 well, let me tell you something, brother. This is the championship that I need right here. No, that's the one that I definitely need to add to the collection. Four championships. One more to go. Looks pretty dope. Got the ring over here. Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review slash put together of this awesome Ultimate Edition WWE Ultimate Edition New Generation Arena. Awesome. Mattel's. I always loved Mattel's toys because the commitment and effort and dedication they put into every little detail of their toys. Since back in the days when I was a kid, they always try to make sure they satisfy their customers, and to know that they're still doing it, 30 plus years, going on 40 years, Mattel, keep up the great work, especially with the WWE stuff, any wrestling stuff in general. I am very grateful for this awesome addition of wrestling to my collection. Cannot wait to display it and just try to put wrestlers in it and just make it look marvelous. Until next time, guys, collect what you love. See you on the next live stream or meet and greet or live event or toy hunt. Collect what you love, guys. Stay marvelous. Be safe.